Hi, my name's Tom Lewis. I'm with the Town Locksmith in Plymouth, Michigan. I'd like today to talk about some tips on hiring a reputable locksmith. We've been having problems in our industry for the past several years with locksmith scamming, and just want to give you some valuable tips when hiring a locksmith and making that phone call when you're locked out, and getting some key questions answered. Like, if they're a local locksmith, you want to make sure that you really try to hire somebody that's local in your area. Also, you want to ask them if they're insured. We don't have licensing in Michigan, so licensing doesn't come into effect, but in other states it does. Alabama, Illinois, California, New York, those states have licensing, so you want to check for that in those states. Also, if they have any certifications, we have an association that's nationwide that does certifications. There's certified registered locksmith, certified master locksmith, and certified professional locksmiths, as well as certified master locksmiths. Also, you want to ask for some identification when they come out to the home. Make sure that they are who they are and they're representing their business properly. And then next we will talk about, in our next video segment, about a little bit more about locksmiths and Yellow Pages, hiring locksmiths out of there. Thank you.